How to connect a PlayStation Portal to TV. So, before you connect your PlayStation Portal to your TV, there are several requirements. First, you'll need the following: a TV or device running Android TV, OS 12 or later. You can also use Google TV Streamer 4K and Chromecast with Google TV. Another is a PS5 console or PS4 console. Always update your console to the latest version of the system software. Another is an account for PlayStation. Use the same account that you use for your console. If you don't have an account, you need to create one first. Another is a mobile device. Sign in by scanning a QR code on your smartphone or tablet. High-speed internet connection is a standard. It is recommended to be able to be connected to a high-speed connection with upload and download speeds of at least 5 Mbps. And lastly, DualSense wireless controller or DualShock 4 wireless controller. Now install the app on your Android TV. To download and install PS Remote Play on your Android TV, you need to search for the PS Remote Play app on your Android TV. And then go ahead and set up your PS5 console for Remote Play. From the home screen, select Settings, System, Remote Play, and then turn on and enable Remote Play. You can adjust this setting for each user. While your PS5 console is in rest mode, select Settings, System, Power Saving, Features available in rest mode, and then turn on Stay Connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. Now pair your DualSense wireless controller with your TV. Make sure the player indicator on your controller is off. If the player indicator is on, press and hold the PS button until it turns off. While pressing and holding the create button, press and hold the PS button for at least 3 seconds and the light bar and player indicator flash twice. In the Android TV settings, select the controller that you want to pair. When pairing is complete, the controller's light bar blinks and the player indicator lights up. You can pair your DualSense controller with up to 4 devices, and that is how you can easily connect a PlayStation Portal to TV.